Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I am going to be reading off the collaborations for the month of November. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so I hope everybody's doing well. If you guys have any suggestions at all as to what kind of collaborations you would like to see, please don't hesitate to send me a message. I would love to hear what you guys want to say. Also, as far as the collaborations go, these collaborations, in case anybody was questioning why I do so many collaborations, well, let me go ahead and answer that. I like to host a lot of collaborations in order to help increase the numbers and help all of the participants to grow. I absolutely love doing this, and yeah, I enjoy doing the videos myself, so why not go ahead and help everyone to grow their numbers, especially to hit their first 1,000. I would love to be part of that. And also just to help meet other creators, content creators. You want to be able to increase watch hours. And let me just give you a few hints before I get started with the announcements. So one of the things that we can do in order to grow is post the collaborations that we're having, especially the ones that you guys are already hosting in, or the ones that you really like that I'm already hosting. So if you're gonna jump into that collaboration anyway, this is really good. It helps me and it helps you. So you wanna post in the community tab, and then the same people that are subscribed to you are not necessarily subscribed to me. So this helps all of us collectively. So we want to post in the community tab. We want to make announcements as we are releasing our videos about the event calendar for the month. You can even choose to post the event calendar, copy and paste it in your community tab so that other people can see what kind of collaborations we're hosting. You can send me a message if there's a particular collab that you would like help with. And again, it helps us to meet new content creators. It helps us to increase our watch time. We want to make sure that we are abiding by the collaboration rules. We want to make sure that we're running the whole playlist. This gives us time. And so if each person in the collaboration is running your video, then all of these watch hours will increase. And so that's what I feel that that's my blessing, to go ahead and help you to increase your numbers and your watch time. So that's why I like doing these collaborations, because I love to see when you guys hit your 1,000 and it's party time. I love to see it. So let's get started with the events. Now I usually try to think up some different ideas for these collaborations, but I am also tied down with school, so I can use your input. I will be more than happy to put these collaborations together. And if there's anything, once again, that you would like to see or that you want to do between now and the holidays, or even after the holidays, I have quite a bit of things planned, but you could always, your ideas are very important to me. So just let me know, shoot me a message, and I'll be more than happy to put things together and launch these things out with you guys. So let's get started. So for November, I am so happy. A lot of things going on for November for me, as far as school goes and just as far as activities go. And the closer we get to Thanksgiving and Christmas, it's just gonna be a lot of running around, guys. So we're gonna start out with quick and easy meals. So quick and easy meals, guys, if you're cooking, we have so much cooking that we're doing for the holidays. I don't understand. I know that we want to stay within our niche, but I also know that coming out of it every once in a while is okay. It is okay. It is not going to hurt your channel at all. So if you're not a cooking channel, and I'm not a cooking channel, but I will release a cooking video for quick and easy meals. If it's, I even did one the other day on my coffee and how I drink my coffee, my collagen coffee, and I could have posted that on quick and easy meals. I just happened to release it that day because I was already making it. But you can make a smoothie, you can make protein shakes, you can make breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, pies, any kind of dessert, even grilling outside, and anything that you can think of. Just record the video, use the hashtag, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Let's move on to the next one. So now we have Tablescape Tuesdays. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm so excited. So on the 7th, I just want to announce that on the 7th of November at 6 p.m., we have 2 guests that are coming in. Yes, I said 2 guests. So the first one is going to be Antoinette decorating, and I am just like so excited. And then coming in with her is Indy Annie Jones. Both of them with the theme of Mackenzie Child inspired, and I am so excited to announce that. So remember, that's going to be November 7th at 6 p.m. Now the next one, we're not going to have the second guest come in until November 28th. So all the other Tuesdays are going to be freestyle. So we have 2 Tuesdays that are going to be freestyle. That's the 14th and the 21st. That is, one of them is Thanksgiving week. So when we come back from Thanksgiving on November 28th, we have Mercy Beauty Styles that's coming in. And her theme is going to be white and gold. I didn't have that in here, so I'm just kind of writing that in. So November 28th, it's white and gold theme, Mercy Beauty Styles. So the 7th and the 28th are guest days. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so November 15, we have our winter/Christmas tier tray collaboration, and this is being hosted with myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and then I have Deborah Cabasa Home Living coming in with me to host this collaboration. Awesome collab, I absolutely love it. Who doesn't use a tier tray, guys? So we're gonna do that November 15th at 7 p.m. Now we're gonna move on over to November 17, and that's Decorate My Space. And that, of course, is going to be the winter/Christmas edition of Decorate My Space, and that's being hosted. I have co-hosts. Those are going to be listed in the thumbnail when I release the thumbnail, but this is being hosted by Tablescapes by Candy and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So, of course, we have Cozy Corner or Vignette, and that is going to be, I love Cozy Corner or Vignette. Isn't that an awesome collab? That is going to be November 27 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, Cozy Corner or Vignette, I have the co-hosts that are going to be on the thumbnail because there's quite a bit of us, and Tablescapes by Candy is hosting that collab with me, and I am so excited because that one is also going to be winter/Christmas edition. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the calendar of events, after I finish this video and release it, I'm going to go ahead and post it in the community tab. Remember to go ahead and share this video in your videos and also in your community tab as I release the thumbnails or I release the calendar, whichever one you want to post. This would be great for all of us. So I am really excited about the guests that are hosting with me in all these collaborations, and I hope that we have an amazing month, especially Thanksgiving. And Thanksgiving, guys, it really is every single day. I am so thankful and grateful for all of you, and God bless you all, and I'll see you for the next calendar of events for December. Amen.